Each practitioner should place importance on the preliminary practices. Without sufficient and good practice of the preliminaries, it will be extremely challenging to make any progress on the main practice. The practice guidance is easy to read, yet hard to internalize, so every one of us should practice in accordance with the state of our minds. Only when the preliminary practices are well accomplished will the sequence of our practice not fall into chaos. Moreover, preliminary practices are also the most effective and powerful way to eliminate afflictions. In this degenerate age, many people don't adhere to the prescribed sequential order and the instructions of the lineage masters. As a result, it is not uncommon for those people to encounter obstacles during their practice or have no spiritual experience arising in them, causing them to simply leave the path, lose faith in the Dharma and the teacher, or even generate wrong views toward Buddhism. It is not easy for us to embark on the path to liberation, so we must practice according to the instructions of lineage masters. This is extremely important.